First click on the search bar and type CMD and run it as administrator. Now type system reset space hyphen clean PC. Here click next. Now it will show you the apps which will be removed. Now click next and start. As soon as you click start, it will begin the process to reset your PC. This process might take up to 20 to 30 minutes. After refreshing your PC, it will start installing Windows. And this might take up to 30 minutes. Now after the installation process is complete, you will see your home screen. Here, if you have any password, enter it and press enter. As soon as you press enter, it will install some updates to your PC which you can't skip. Now your PC is completely resetted, but you might still see some apps or folders which you can delete manually. You can also see the list of apps which are removed.